guys, we're going to install ourselves a Trail Tamer today on the Gen 3 CForce 1000. This will be the same install as the 800 Touring, 1000 Touring, and the 1000 Overland, the Gen 3 models, guys. We're also going to do a sound test. I'm going to show you guys how to get this thing installed and ready to rock and roll. Okay, so on the left side of your muffler, you're going to have this heat shield. All you're going to do is just grab it, bends real easy, bend it out like so. Then you're going to get yourself a ratchet and extension with a 12mm socket. Go in here. Now I done pre-loosened these for video purposes, and sometimes they can be tight. You just want to work them back and forth, left or right, till they loosen up. Okay, there's that. All right, and I already did the top one for us. It's the same way. Go in there the same way with a swivel. So guys, now we're gonna focus on this top bolt here. It is a 13mm, so you're gonna need a 13mm wrench and a 13mm socket, as a matter of fact. You also gonna need that swivel. Now, this thing actually installs in minutes, guys. It's pretty gnarly. It's pretty crazy and easy to install. Get that swivel up on there, get locked in there like so. Hold on. Get that broke loose. Okay. Now we should be good. This bolt is tight. There we go. Okay. Now.
Where'd it go?
Yep. Now this other end here, it just pulls right out. Ugh. Come on. It will. Come on, man. There we go.
Got it.
How you throw this 100 pounds of shit in the trash? This is what it is. Now that you got that all off of there, we can go back on with the new muffler. You're gonna go in to that rubber grommet just like so. Get this all lined up in there. Bring it over. Grab our bolt. Get our nut, put our nut up in there just like so. And then bend that back the way it was. Okay guys, that's how you install a GSE Trail Tamer muffler. You can get them from our website, www.rngperformance.net. Anything you need, CFMOTO related, and soon Kawasaki related, we'll have anything you need in stock. We have parts and accessories, all sorts of things that you might need in stock on our website. Just call us, 330-806-0728, and we'll be happy to help you out. Now you guys are probably wondering, am I going to get to see this thing fire up? And yes, we're going to take it outside and rip it. A lot of you know that I'm building this mud build. Some of it I'm keeping off of camera, keeping secret for now. But there's no radiator, nothing, so we can't drive it very long. But we're going to drive it. We're going to rip it. This thing has 32-inch tires on it. let's get it off here. This thing is gonna be a monster when it's done. I can't wait. Oh yeah, it also has the R.N.G performance clutch kit for the Gen 3 to turn these big tires, and it turns them really nice. There's no tune in this. This is stock tune for right now. We do have a tune for it though. Get me high gear. Get thing's kind of hard to handle because I got every little nook and cranny digging into my legs. It rides really good. That muffler sounds really good. And the R.N.G clutch kit turns these tires really good. That was high gear. That was high gear pull. I didn't do any low gear. But we don't have a radiator or coolant in this thing, so we can't run it very long. Let's do some neutral revs. It does sound really good, guys. If you want one, get one. Check us out. We'll be happy to help you. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below. These Trail Tamers sound really, really, really good. Camera does not do it any kind of justice, I promise you. And I'm wearing my mic, and camera's not doing it any justice. I already know. I've edited enough muffler videos to know. Peace out. God bless, guys. We'll see you in the next one.